Going on there, folks? Earthmaster here, jumping in on the live stream, May 20th, 2001, about 8:53 p.m. West Coast time with a quick update video. I see some interruptions going on the live stream, kind of working on that. I will get back to that pretty soon. A little bit of buffering, I'm sure, on the viewer side, but we're going to fix that here pretty soon. I'm definitely aware of it. Check out all this earthquake activity out here along the Pacific Ring of Fire up through Indonesia, Samoa area, and the Tonga region. Some deep movement over here. Quite the uptick. No significant earthquake activity at the moment, but you can't tell me that's not some significant uptick in earthquake activity taking place up there. Quite a few fours and some deep movement at that as well. Let's go ahead and check out the latest information here on the USGS map. We can see this a little bit more detail. It's a pretty good splatter of earthquakes out there throughout the Indonesia, Tonga region, even stretching up into the Philippines area as well. Japan northward, kind of quieting down. A little bit of movement along the Aleutian Island chain. Of course, some volcanic activity being issued up there as well. We'll cover that in a little bit later video. West Coast, North American continent, pretty quiet for the most part when it comes to 2.5 and above. A little bit of further movement down south into the Chile area. Some deeper movement along the Peru-Chile Trench area, including a 5.2, and also looks like a little smaller quake, 4.5, but pretty deep at 225 kilometers. Little aftershock of activity out there, 5.0 in the West Chile Rise, kind of within that vicinity of where the, well, actually I take that back, the East Pacific Rise is where that 6.7 struck, so a little bit of further movement to the east there on the West Chile Rise region. What else we got? Let's go ahead and zoom in North American continent here with the all magnitude map, and we can see what's taking place out here. A lot of movement up through Utah into the Intermountain West into Idaho. Parts of Idaho seeing some a little bit of uptick in earthquake activity along the Sawtooth Fault system. Nothing major to report, folks. This is all microquake activity, but nonetheless, USGS is reporting it, and of course, it kind of paints a picture of the dynamics of the plate tectonics out here in the North American continent, up against the Rocky Mountains there. Let's see, no major swarming to report. A little bit of earthquake activity north into Northern California around Shasta Lake and Anderson. Just a 2.0 near Round Mountain and a 1.6 near Millville. Let's see, Yellowstone National Park. Nothing going on there, folks. In fact, the earthquake swarm has died down. This activity here on this map is, well, it's interference of some sort. That's for sure. If this was showing up on other seismic stations around the area, then I would be majorly concerned, but it's not. So we're all good in the hood. Checking out the tremor map, only a small amount of tremor into the northern Oregon area. We've looked at about 4 days of quiet activity, none to report. Today, 15 epicenters of tremor in the northern Oregon area along the central section of the Cascadia subduction zone. All right, folks, have a good night. I do have my nephew here, so kind of cutting it close with the time frame. I will be working on the buffering issue on the live stream. But for now, have a good night, folks. We'll chat you guys a little bit later. Please stay safe out there.